Good morning. We're eating a bagel. We got the Hawaiian shirt on for round 2. We're bringing the flannel grinder vibe to the Auburn Dirt Fondo. So we're gonna go ride some bikes today. I'll tell you about my day here in a second, because we have to go reg before the ride leaves in 10 minutes.
You know, you can at least have switched up your Hawaiian shirt.
That's right.
Dude, you gotta get to the lizard bottom.
All right, we're here. Officially made it. Luckily, we're starting a little late because that's good for me. Running late. Yeah, I was out of town.
And I brought some money this time, so that's good.
So I was planning to do this. Thought I had to work. Ended up not having to work. So then I had to jam down to the shop this morning at like 5:30. Build my bike this. Yeah, I do this a lot. Don't worry, all day, man. Yeah,
you don't even wake up at 5:30 in the morning.
Oh, I did today, dude. I had to go to the shop to build my bike. I showed up FedEx Bike Flights yesterday. Got the bike built at 7. Jammed up here. We made it. Let's go ride some bikes. Ride bikes, huh?
Yeah, dude.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
And we got a first timer too today.
5.
So.
First timer on clips today too. And the man behind the entire thing, Kenny Burt.
What was your question?
Weather's a smidge overcast. We got ourselves some blue skies with some clouds though, and there we go. Some cooler temps. Definitely close to the Aloha grinder temp range, but a smidge cooler. We got some good old peeps out here. We saw Mr. Ben Jock Mains is here. Press V drove up. Stan, Timmy C, who else? There's a bunch of the boys are out here. It's good route. Thus far, we started further into town towards Sugar Pine Reservoir. It's always good out here, always good. We're just chatting, not to actually compare, but there's a bit of a camaraderie loss out here. I saw a lot of people in the parking lot this morning wearing team kits, and that sort of, I feel like, set the tone for the day. I feel like the bright colors and logos took it to the next level, and something's a little off. It's a good way to put it.
Oh, I mean, not everyone got the memo of wearing the Hawaiian shirt, Cody. So
I'm keeping it in my with my peeps.
Yeah, I'm stealth. This is stealth.
Woo!
You can't see me.
Backwards, we took some wrong turn.
Oh, you guys kept going up the dirt climb. Yeah. You just kept going up Yankee to Forest Hill.
Dude, you okay?
Yeah, there was a...
We thought we lost a water bottle. No, his homeboy dropped his $200 JBL Jambox speaker.
That shit was jamboxing down the road.
Don't worry, they're from SF.
Coming in hot. Let's see it.
Unclip.
Throw it up. Wheelie time. Wheelie time.
I'm just trying to get out of it.
Let's see a wheelie, dude. I got it. All right, Cody, you got it?
Yeah. If I go any further back, I'd fall over.
Alright, this one's real. Oh, dude, off the f***ing brim.
We're getting close. We're getting close. To the top of Yankee, some more roads. It's been nothing but good times today. Andrew and his first time ever riding clips on a demo diverge from the shop. Does not get any better. Woo.
At least it makes for a good beer drinking, you know.
Yeah, Coors Light. C-.
Quick break, you know.
We're almost done though. I'm ready to be done. My watch died actually.
That means something.
Oh yeah, we made it! Oh, we made it! Can't believe it. I'm actually sufficiently kind of cooked. That was a hell of a day. Car back.
Right, last crux. Can you make it up that, Cody?
Oh God. One-handed while vlogging.
Oh, I got it!
I got this, bro. You ready? You ready? Oh, damn it! Oh man, what a day. Yeah, fantastic. Killer day. 70, my Garmin died. Like 73 miles and like almost 200 feet or something. It was a monster day. Fantastic. You ride more miles than that, but to hit that much mileage and that much elevation on 90% dirt, it's a butt kicker for sure. Post-ride burritos were fantastic, and I think that's gonna wrap it up. We will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we got mountain bike action. Yeah, we'll see you then. Over and out. Peace.